In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group in Gmail. So I'm here on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is open Google Contacts in my browser. This is where Gmail groups are created and managed. Once the page loads, I move my mouse over to the left side of the screen and look for the option that says Create Label. I click on Create Label and a small window appears asking me to enter a name for the group. Now I type the name I want for the group. This could be something like Team, Clients, Family, or any name that helps identify the contacts in the group. After typing the group name, I click Save. Now the label is created, and the next step is to add contacts to that group. I look through my contact list and start selecting the contacts I want to include. I do this by checking the box beside each contact's name. Once I've selected the contacts, I assign them to the group by choosing the label I just created. This adds those contacts to the group. After that, I go back to Gmail by opening gmail.com. Once my inbox loads, I click Compose to start a new email. In the Compose window, I move to the To field and begin typing the group name I created earlier. Gmail recognizes the label and shows the group as an option. I select the group and Gmail automatically adds all the contacts from that group into the recipient field. Now I can write my email like usual, add the subject and message, and when everything is ready, I click Send. And that's it. I opened Google Contacts, created a label for the group, added contacts to that label, went back to Gmail, started a new email, typed the group name in the To field, selected the group, and sent the email to everyone in that group.